Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your splash screen. So what you're going to do is head over to Edit, Project Settings, and then on the top, you can just type in Splash to search for it. And you'll see that maybe whatever plugin or something you're using will automatically have these splash screens. And I'll just change mine for the Windows platform. So I'm going to change it from this Ascent Combat Framework one to my Code with Ro splash screen. So I'll just click on this round one. I actually haven't tested a round image yet, so I just want to see how that's going to look. And then I'll just click import, and you may not see the changes here until you restart. So I'll go ahead and do that. And now I'm just going to restart my project by exiting it out and double clicking it to open it. And now you'll see that this image is the new splash screen while opening your project. And that's a pretty simple tutorial. Thanks for watching Code with Ro. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.